What's going on, guys? Incognito Stevo here, back with another vlog. So today we're going kayaking. I got the trailer with the kayaks on them. I'm here with Manny, Chris, and Matt. So basically we're just gonna go out kayaking, we're gonna vlog, go fishing, stuff like that. We got the boys over here. Yep. So we got 4 kayaks over here. We got mine, Manny's, Matt, Chris. Both of these are Chris's. Matt is just borrowing one. You can just get strapped right back on.
Oh, my dad.
Alright, then just swing it over there so we can keep going.
Thank you. There you go.
No way.
It's a Rolls Royce.
Fresh, bro. Fresh, bro.
I got the Rolls Royce.
Last but not least, mine.
All right, we're gonna do some interviews.
Tying
Manny, how do you feel about kayaking today?
Yo, I'm excited. Try to kill Steven out there, you know you dig.
Look, we got Manny and his kayak. Chris, how do you feel about kayaking today?
Great.
Yeah?
Good experience, you know. Out with the boy. Does it?
Yeah,
This guy never went to preschool.
What?
Incognito Stevo, how do you feel about kayaking today?
Well, man, I just love the adventure and the workout and being with my friends.
Man, that's great.
Right, I'm not bringing.
I am also excited to go kayaking today.
Alright, guys, what's up? So we're on the water now. I'm not sure how it's gonna sound because it's not that windy, but it's a little windy, and obviously you're gonna hear the water too. And it was supposed to be a nice day out. It's not too bad. It's supposed to rain in like 3 hours, so we don't really have that long out here. We're gonna go straight ahead. I'm gonna catch up with the boys. We're gonna eat our sandwiches. Me and Chris, Killer Carson, we're gonna fish a little bit, see if we can catch anything. Nice fountain. About to be going under a bridge. Probably gonna stop, eat our sandwiches here. Fish a little bit. Wish it was a little nicer out. At least it's not like burning hot, so that's a plus. Last time we were out here, we went all the way past the bridge that way, and Manny jumped in and had to swim all the way back to over here because he couldn't get back on his kayak, so we took his kayak all the way over here.
You hear me?
What?
I saw a bunch of fish.
Oh. And my luck, there was a spider sitting about right here, this big, and I hit it with my oar, and it jumped in here, hit my leg, and crawled in there. Oh, I'm gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna go through here. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No. Yeah, should I? Yes, I am. I heard that too. I'm gonna go through. Am I gonna fit? Am I gonna fit? Gotta wrap around for my pole to fit. Yeah. Yo, it really smells under here, bro. I don't want to eat under here. Bro, there's some wildin' bugs under here, bro. I'm out. This is where the spider got on my kayak last time. I'm out. GTA spin out. Spin him out. The recovery. 2 other colors. You're an idiot. Yo.
I'm wearing a fucking baby.
And I got it. Oh, that scared me. All right, we're good right there. Come on, I'm snagged. No! Yes! I did get one! Oh my God! Holy shit!
Yo, I got pliers and a knife.
Oh, I got off!
Damn.
boys. Huh? We got everyone. Got Matt, Chris all over here.
Yo.
Yo.
I just saw a bunch of shit.
This is crazy. Boop. You heard that? Yo, what the? Yo, look ahead. Wait, go slow, Chris. Chris. No, go now. Just go slow up to it, quietly. Is that real? It's real. Get it! Oh yeah. I've never been over here. Oh, I know exactly where we are. Huh?
Shallow by you?
No, not really. Oh, hi, Matt. I'm not really looking. Oh shit! I touched ground. Oh, it's muddy. Oh my god, bro! My kayak's hitting bottom, bro. I can't even paddle. I'm hitting ground. Yo, we might get stuck. Oh no! It just got really hard. Let me get that off. What?
I think we're almost through it.
I hope so, because it's getting hard.
Look, it's all shallow. You can tell.
I can't even do anything. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but there you go, that's bottom. About, let's say this deep, not even. This was a bad idea. Oh my god. This was not a good idea. This is for you guys. We do stupid stuff. This is nasty, bro. Yeah, I feel it, and I don't feel the bottom that much. Yeah, I don't think there's fish in here. Oh, hell no. I ain't Logan Paul.
I mean, how stupid are you? Why would you record it and then post it? Like, why
I don't know, that's so stupid.
Baby turtle.
Where? No. I want to record it. Oh my god! There it is!
Where? Where? Yo, Matt doesn't look like he's moving at all.
Got a little baby turtle up here.
Ah, mud water.
What are we naming him?
Toby.
Toby! Toby the turtle! I'll wait for you.
That's that. Yo, isn't that cool? I found that though.
That is sick.
I've never seen a baby turtle.
He's alive!
No, he's fucking not.
He's alive, bro! His leg's moving!
I'll get a picture.
Look at his leg!
Actually, I won't keep him.
Toby the turtle.
Toby.
We got Toby the turtle right here. Man's looking fresh. Toby the turtle. Oh,
He's got a ride though. He's got a ride.
He's got a ride now. I mean, we're probably taking him away from his family, but
You don't got him. No, baby turtles don't have families.
really?
Yeah, once they're hatched from their eggs, they're,
On their own?
yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So we're actually. Yeah, you never heard that?
No.
That's why when they the mother hatches their eggs, that's why the predators come and attack them so easily, because they don't have a mother to watch.
Fun facts by Manny. Yeah, he's moving his head. He's alive. Oh, he's looking up. Hey, Toby. Oh, he's moving. Toby. Don't do it. Toby, no. Not yet, Toby. Toby, no. Toby, not yet. Toby, I'm gonna put you back, but we want to show the guys first. Come here, quick. Toby, no!
Toby, no!
Toby!
Toby!
Quick, come here!
Toby!
Toby's moving!
Toby! Toby, no!
Toby, stay! No! Toby!
Baby turtle!
No! No! Toby!
You're not gonna be able to see Toby.
Toby!
He's gone. Alright, so you're not gonna be able to see Toby unless you go on Snapchat.
I got him!
Oh, you got
I got Toby!
Back on.
We should let him go now. For the video.
You're mad when you're mad.
Goodbye, Toby. Huh?
Yo, eat him.
Watch it. Oh!
You should've eaten him.
Bye, Toby.
Nah.
Alright. Yo, what if Toby's like parents like randomly just came back to see how he was doing, say how he was doing in life, and all of a sudden sees us taking Toby all the way across the lake, and they're like, Toby! All he sees 2 big turtles chasing us. No!
Sorry, Steve, I'm sorry.
You fuck! Spider-Man!
That's good though.
You're an idiot. I can't believe you did this. I don't like being under here. I'm going backwards now.
Chris, you run. Get your run.
I fucking... What? You Oh, we need to get out of here now.
Fucking Chris, no!
Look at you take Chris.
No! I'm really blocking your way.
Yo! This man. You really just effed us all up, Chris.
That's why I didn't bring one. I hate fish.
Some stuff under there. And then we're back. Here he goes. Into the fountain. Oh no! He's in the fountain. Did it feel good?
Huh?
Did it feel good?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Almost there. That was a fun adventure.
Push him back out. He doesn't have an oar. So I don't care if it's scratched at all. No, fuck.
Should I?
Yeah, do it.
Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's kayak adventure with the boys. We had a good time, and that's really going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and peace.